I am the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys for watching today. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing from Umarex as well as a little bit of extra fun stuff. I went and did something a little bit ridiculous and fun and awesome and decided to get a bunch of stuff. Now, why do I want all this stuff? Because this stuff is fun and I am all about going outdoors, having fun, and I'm going to create a series of videos with this stuff as to how to go outdoors and have fun on a budget. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So why don't we go ahead and open this huge box and see what's inside, shall we? I'm excited. Brown paper! That's what I ordered! Woohoo! Lo and behold, Airsoft pistols. Airsoft pistols. I ordered 6 pistols from Umarex USA. They were great. They helped me out a lot. Special thanks to their Facebook manager who did a lot for me in order to get this order all figured out. We've got the Elite Force 1911 1, Elite Force 1911 2. There we go. Stack all these so you can still see them in the camera here. Elite Force 1911 3. And then, this one's special for me, the Elite Force Tactical 1911. Yeah, I'm super excited about that. So we got 4 of those, and then we have 2 licensed Beretta Airsoft pistols, 1 and 2. I've got a lot of pistols here. What's in this little box? Where'd my knife go? Here it is. We have got spare magazine, spare magazine, spare magazine, brown paper, spare magazine, spare magazine, spare magazine, and spare magazine. Tons of spare magazines for all of these. 4 of these, the little ones, go to the Berettas. And then we've only had 3 of these Elite Force spare magazines, even though there are 4 of them. So what I did is, since Umarex actually just happened to be out of stock at the time that I ordered this, so I decided that I would go to Airsoft Megastore and pick up some more. There you go. Extended spare magazines. Let's do a size comparison here real quick. This is the normal one, and this is the extended one. So the whole idea is that there are enough magazines here to have 2 reloads for each firearm for each round that we play. Those videos are going to be super fun, guys, so keep watching out for those. I am starting to get into Airsoft here on the Dollar Sportsman just because it's something that's super fun. A lot of people can go out and have a good time outdoors and they don't have to break the bank. Okay guys, let's open some of these up here, at least one of them. I've got to show you what the goods are, right? This is the Elite Force 1911 tactical version compared to the Elite Force 1911 A1 version. The only difference is the paint and also the fact that this one can have lights attached to it. It also has some slight differences in just some of the design style. But in terms of power, in terms of round capacity, these are the exact same. So why did I get some of these Berettas as well? What's the difference between these two? Well, not too much, but this Beretta is actually the kind that does not have gas blowback. Gas blowback is when the gas inside the CO2 or the green gas, whichever you're using, causes the slide to rack back and forth as if it was a real firearm. It's really awesome. But if you want to save on your gas, which I did, you can grab these, which don't blow back, but they still have an adjustable hop-up, so you can adjust the accuracy, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. I'm going to be doing testing of all of these for you guys on my channel. You can check it out. Let's open this one, shall we? All right, we've got your user manual, of course, some little things to send in for all that. You've got your Allen wrench, and then you've got the actual, wow, that is hefty. This is pretty amazing. This is the actual firearm, or airsoft pistol. You know, it's not actually fire, I guess. But anyway, a threaded barrel on the front in case you want to put a suppressor or tracer unit. It racks back just like so, if you can see that. And also comes with the release and the safety. The safety is on both sides, ambidextrous. The release is only on one side, so causes it to come forward. It's got the grip safety. So, yeah. Do you feel dangerous? This thing's awesome. It's got an all-metal slide on top. It looks like it's a polymer bottom. This looks pretty legit. So I'm really excited to get into this. All right, then we've got the Berettas. These are the non-gas blowback. Let's open that up. Now there are a lot of different Beretta versions out on the market. I decided to go with this one, the Elite 2. CO2 gas blowback for many reasons. The main reason is it has an adjustable hop-up, which not many do. I wanted that adjustable hop-up so that I could work on the accuracy out to distance. Since these are only going to be pistol games, I wanted to make sure that I picked pistols that could still reach far enough out. You'll notice that the slide does not rack back on this. Everything on the inside, the CO2 is integrated into the handle itself. So you just take the little magazine like this, and you put it right back inside and you're ready to go. Elite Force 1911A1. Let's open that just for fun. See, this one is black, and it also racks back. Wow, that is a beautiful barrel. Outer barrel, I guess I should say. It's still got the threaded barrel front, still racks forward, and it's essentially the same. You can tell the trigger is a little bit different than the Elite Force Tactical. Ta-da! I can't wait to test these out in the field, guys. I'm gonna have to do that sometime soon. Okay, now I'm just gonna put all these away until I am ready to go and test it out. I will do another video on that. We'll test out effective ranges. We'll test out all the things that you need to know about these pistols above and beyond just opening up our unboxing today. So I'll have that forthcoming. But in the meantime, what I plan on doing is having pistol tournaments where everybody comes with a pistol. You need to have eye protection, probably face mask protection, and then some good quality seamless BBs, which I actually have some from Elite Force, 25 grain, biodegradable seamless BBs. They're very high quality, and that's what I plan on running through these. So that way I don't, make a mess in the environment that I'm in. So stay tuned for that. This has been a super fun unboxing. I'm excited. I have got all of the magazines you could possibly dream of. And it's going to be a great time out there. So, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Guys, like, subscribe, and share. Get your friends to watch this. We're gonna have more airsoft stuff coming up, but also some more pellet rifle action soon. I am already planning for a hunt, and you're gonna see more videos with that coming up. Let's get this to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I've been doing this for 2 years, and I should be there by now. So, we might have to do a giveaway sometime soon to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the field. Got some shotguns, a couple of buddies, and it's gonna be a great day. I've got tannerite. Oh, that should be fun. Comes open real easy. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you for joining us today. You can get a lot of good stuff from this.